So I'm installing this LED kit. It's four LEDs, and basically I tap into the drive light from my signal light here, which is this one right here, and the ground wire, I tap into that, and the drive light, and the blue one is the signal light, so I'm not tapping into that. And I run the wire down here, over here, and got two more to connect on this right side. Got all the wire tucked in, zip tie right here, nice and neat. And the final looks. So basically I'm gonna use hot glue to add a dip on the top here to keep it secure, because it's only holding with double side tape on the bottom. So I'm gonna add a dip of hot glue on the top, and that should be good. This is a quick look of how it looks like.